What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here, man. This is one of those videos that you guys have requested as far as getting a demo with these Down for Sound Hexicone Pro speakers. Obviously, we got them on the table. I got one of my backup phones available, so I'll do my best to show off the sound quality, even though I know it's not going to come through on YouTube, and the fact that my microphone, I don't have it to where I can set up the dBs on it, so I can guarantee I won't distort the speakers, but they will be turned up and whatnot, man. But let's not beat around the bush. I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button and get into it. We'll start low and crank the volume up going along. Hopefully all these songs are copyright free as well, man, but let's go ahead and get to it. Supposedly they're copyright free songs with vocals, so we can show it off the best way, and let's go there. Right now we're starting out volume on 14. I'm going to go up to probably 30 something.
It's hard to keep my head, man, I can't even keep my friends. Hard to focus on these meds when I barely even slept. Hard to see what's next when I get hard to catch my breath. But when that light a flick, we gon' fly. Got what you like, I can get you high.
Alright, so what I did on that song, like I said, we started off at volume 14 on the head unit. I think I went up to 37 at the max. The most that I've turned it up to, depending on speakers, on the setup, between like 43 and 48 is where the deck plays really clean and whatnot, man. But we're going to go ahead and go to the next song, and I'll probably crank it up to like 40 something. And once again, like I said, if it sounds distorted on YouTube, I apologize about that. The mic is kind of a fixed setting as far as picking up whatever vocals that I put out as far as my own voice, man. But we'll switch the track, and this time I'll probably crank it up to like 40 something. But let's go to the old faithful song that I got. It's one of my favorites, and I never get pinged with the copyright stuff. It looks like this song is about to expire, so let's get to the next one. There we go. Okay, so now we're starting out at volume 9. Like I said, I'll crank it up to probably like 40 something. And once again, if it's distorted, I definitely apologize, man. I don't have the setting to where I can switch the microphone. But let's get to it.
Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Don't say you got money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my soccer, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision in the south.
I'm just gonna break in and say it now. These speakers sound absolutely amazing. Point blank, period.
Hot like steam. I just got the dreams. I know what you mean. If I from it to the field, I get 50 to my Jeep. Hey.
Yeah, so down for sound, right? I don't know if they, when I got these speakers, they were $49 a pop. Well, basically $50 per speaker. I'll say this right now, man. I don't know if the sound quality is coming through on this video or not, due to the fact that it's YouTube. And once again, I got the fixed setting on my microphone. Trust me, go buy these. These things are rated, let's see here, 150 to 200 watts RMS as far as the range. I'm probably getting them like maybe 25 watts RMS per speaker, man. But supposedly they can play as low as 55 hertz. I got them crossed over at 125 a piece. For them, obviously, man. But these things, trust me, the video, I can almost guarantee when I play it back, it's not going to be doing any justice or anything like that, man. But we got another song here, supposedly copyright free. Let's try it and see what we get into. The last song I went up to 43 on the volume. I'll probably do the same with this one.
One star, two birds, who knew I would swing words? Seems like yesterday I was working for the new place, new chase, trying to get my money up, shaking up, never found a kid, I'm giving up, now it's up, used to laugh at it for running out, cut your bluff, now it's over here, the jig is up, so give it up, hell no.
Alright, so went up to 43 on the volume with that one. Once again, I would love to play more of the mainstream music, songs that people are more familiar with, but unfortunately the way YouTube has everything set up, hopefully these songs that I'm playing now are copyright free to where they won't mute the video, man. But let's try another one, and we'll probably get out of here on this one. Pretty much a 7-minute straight video. But let's go back to 43 on the volume. Alright, so we got the ears ringing. Once again, probably only maybe about 25 watts RMS per speaker running right now, man. So y'all can see the sound range on them. Yes, they sound great. Give amazing mid bass, even crossed over at 120, I think 125, 150, something like that. On the head unit, man. They get down, they scream, they're well worth the price. Right now, I believe even right now, they're still $50 a pop, man. Don't hesitate to grab these, man. So, of course, once again, apologize if the sounds are distorted or anything like that. It's probably the microphone, not the speakers. I can guarantee you that. Obviously, if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, get at me, man. I'll try to get back to everybody, man. Go buy the speakers, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm outie, man. Y'all have a good one.